On behalf of the Nanak Institute of Management and Technology, I extend a warm welcome to our distinguished resource person for today, Dr. Sandeep Srivastava, who has graciously accepted our invitation to share his knowledge with us. I would also like to welcome our faculty members and quite students of MCA. We are gathered here today at the seminar hall to delve into a topic that is rapidly reshaping the future of computing and our careers, that is Agentic AI. As future technology leaders and innovators, understanding the move from static machine learning models to dynamic autonomous AI agents isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. This seminar is crucial step in bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world technological applications. It's my distinct honor to welcome and introduce our esteemed speaker for today, a true visionary in the tech and education landscape, Dr. Sandeep Srivastava. Dr. Srivastava's professional journey spans over 20 years, marked by significant achievements as the founder of both Meander Private Limited and Drawtopic Digital. His academic foundations, including a doctorate in business administration and executive education from IIM, underpins his deep expertise in artificial intelligence, emerging technologies, and real-world learning frameworks. Beyond his corporate success, Dr. Srivastava is passionate about hands-on learning. He is the driving force behind the Built-in Meander program, which is successfully redefining practical tech education across our country. Now, before the session begins, on behalf of Nanak Institute of Management and Technology, we would like to present the small token of our immense gratitude and appreciation. I would like to request Dr. Nanak, Head of Department Computer Applications, to kindly step forward and present Dr. Srivastava with a banner.
कंपनियां गूगल AWS इन चीजों को केयर ऑफ करती हैं। डेटा साइंस अगर क्या है कि जब आप बहुत ज्यादा डेटा है उसको कैसे मैनेज करोगे, मान लो आपने उसको सेव कर लिया उस पूरे डेटा को, तो उस टर्म को डेटा साइंस कहते हैं। अभी क्या है कि नाउ देयर इज अ टर्म कि इस डेटा साइंस, चलो हमारे पास 5 GB का डेटा है, हर चीज का डेटा है, किसने कहाँ क्लिक किया, कहाँ सेव किया, लेकिन अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ठीक है डेटा अच्छे से सेव है, बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत सही स्ट्रक्चर में सेव है, तो इस डेटा को निकाला कैसे जाए। सोर्स जनरेट किया चैट जीपीटी से, वो आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, ठीक है। अगर वो आपको समझ में आ रहा है, ठीक है, तो कर्सर में ये कैपेबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। जो आप कर्सर पे प्रॉम्प्ट पास कर रहे हो उसमें, जैसे मैंने बोला कर्सर के मामले में शुरू के 30% या 2-3 दिन तो कर्सर को बस ये बताओ कि ये प्रोजेक्ट क्या है, उसको सीधे काम मत बताओ।
On behalf of the students, faculty management of GNIMT, it's my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. Our deepest gratitude goes to our resource person, Dr. Sandeep Srivastava. Sir, you took the time out of your busy schedule to be with us, sharing your 2 decades of experience on AI and emerging technology. Your ability to connect complex concepts like agentic AI with tangible real-world applications has made this session invaluable for MCA students. So thank you once again for gracing us with your presence.